Well, you look at that. Here I have Langstroth Hive and the Honeybee book. They're both the same book, but in different languages. Here's English, and here's Spanish, but they're the exact same book. Look at this, unbelievable.
Can you imagine being able to read or understand something that you're passionate about in a whole bunch of different languages? In my home, we speak 2 different languages, Spanish and English. And this has come to an advantage for me because at school, I can learn a topic or any kind of information in 2 different languages. The 2 main languages of our audience are also English and Spanish. And because of that, I had this idea. Welcome to the Bees Are Funny language class. Let's get started. Word number 1, bee, abeja, abeja. If you want to say the bee, it would be la abeja, la abeja. And if you want to say the bees, plural, it would be las abejas. Or you could just say bees, which is abejas. Just make sure that if you're mentioning more than one, you would add an S to the end of either la, las, and abeja, abejas. Word number 2, honey, miel, miel. The honey, la miel, la miel. Honey, miel. Word number 3, beehive, colmena, colmena. If you want to say the beehive, it would be la colmena, la colmena. And finally, if you want to say the beehives, it would be las colmenas. Or you could just say beehives, colmenas. Word number 4, smoker, ahumador, ahumador. The smoker, el ahumador, el ahumador. The smokers, los ahumadores, los ahumadores. And finally, our last word for today is honeycomb, panal de miel, panal de miel. If you wanted to say the honeycomb, it would be el panal de miel, el panal de miel. If you wanted to say honeycombs in plural, it would be los panales de miel, los panales de miel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share with your friends and family to teach them something new. Also, leave a comment if there's any other beekeeping words or terms you would like us to include in the next few videos. And finally, hit that big red subscribe button and click on the bell so you will be notified every single time we upload a new video. My name is Yara and this is Bees Are Funny. Till next time.